Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm on Jenkins welcome page. In this lesson we are going to configure this Jenkins. Again click manage Jenkins and click on configure system. So we are going to configure this Jenkins. Here this is, you can see, this is the home directory, and also I'm not going to talk about these. Whatever required I am going to show you that one only. So let's configure some environment variables. In order to connect to the Kubernetes cluster, we need to specify the Kubernetes master IP address. We want to click on environment variable and click on add, and the name of the variable is Q master IP. The name must be same, okay, and type the IP address of your Kubernetes master. So let me just check the IP address of this server, where it is 192.168.60.43.64. Okay, just copy paste, and then this is to connect to the Kubernetes cluster, and again we have to connect to the GitHub as well. So here you can see GitHub server. So I will click on GitHub server, and API URL is the same because we are going to use this GitHub URL, and name you can provide any name. So I will just write GitHub, but here there is no credential. So here again we have to set up a credential. Okay, so click on Jenkins, and here we need to create secret text. So we need to again copy this access token from here, and just let me click on Jenkins and regenerate token. So just remember that if you are regenerating the token, this token must not be used by any other application, okay, or any automation, otherwise that will fail. Here I am testing, so I can just regenerate it. Okay, and ID I can give GitHub secret description. Just choose from here and click on add. Okay, now if I select here and click on test connection, credential verified. Okay, so it is taking my user ID from here, and just verify that you have clicked on manage hooks, so that it will automatically start the build if if someone commits to the GitHub account, okay, or GitHub project. That's it for this from here. So I'm not going to explain these things because this is not Jenkins course. Just click on save, and just to verify, just click on configure system once again, and I'm just going to verify that the changes is still there or something went wrong. So I think everything looks good. So just click on save once again, and so that's it for this lesson.